In this video, I'll show you how to program your own universal remote control with your TV or other devices. So let's get started right away. There's actually two ways how this can be done. So if the first way does not work for you, try the second one. So before starting, in the box, it came with this very short manual with different codes. You absolutely need to have it, and I'll make a screenshot. I'll take a picture of this and post it so you see better. You need to find the brand of your TV or the brand of your other devices. This is quite a long list. In my case, this is an LG Smart TV. So I'll go where it says TV and try to find LG in this list. It's right over here. You may have multiple codes. Like over here, LG has 3 of them. You need to take note all of these codes in case the first one does not work. So the first code here is 16412. Okay, take your own remote control, and on the top here, you'll need to select which kind of device you want to connect. So here we have TV for TV. Then on the right side, we have Stream Flux. Stream is for anything like a Roku, Apple TV, Xbox, and other media player. Then we have audio. This is for any sound bar, home theater, or amplifier. Over there, down below, B-Ray. This is obviously for Blu-ray player or other DVD player, VCRs. We have satellite cable here for any satellite cable box. And finally, we have other. This is mostly for projectors. In my case, I'll press once on TV, and then I need to find the setup button that is located right on the top there, and keep that one pressed during a few seconds. Then release, and you'll notice that the TV light over here on the button itself is lighted. Right now there's a bit too much light. This is why you don't see it properly. But if you're in a dark environment, you're going to see it. And now it's time to type the code that you have found on the keypad over there. 1641. Now it's time to test to see if it's actually working. If I'm trying, yes, it seems that I was in luck, so the first code works for me. As I said, if the code does not work, try the second code in the list, doing the same exact process I just showed you now. If this still does not work, let me show you how to put this remote control into auto pairing. So the remote control will search for the code if you don't have it. It may take more time than the first method, but usually it works at the end of the day if you didn't succeed with the codes that came with the device. So how do you do this? Well, it's very easy. You're going to press again on the device you want to pair. Mine is TV. I'll press once and then keep press this setup button until the TV light, the button is light up, the one that you have selected. You see, it's light up. Okay, now point the remote towards the device. The device needs to be turned on. So my TV is turned on at this moment. And we're going to press this power button until the device shuts down. If your device cannot shut down, like an Apple TV cannot turn off, well, you need to play something on it, because by doing this, it will pause your content. Okay, I'll press once, it didn't work. You may need to do it multiple times. That's why it takes a long time before your device shuts down. Once the TV or your device turns off, to register the code that worked, simply press the OK button right in the middle here, and that's all. You're going to see the light over there on the button itself will turn off, and you'll be good to go. So I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.